So now I'm gonna make a Chile Verde guacamole. And I have ripe avocados. You know how to choose an avocado so that it comes exactly like this. It's very easy. All you need to do is find an avocado that gives in to your hold when you give it a gentle hold like this. Another sign is the color of the skin. The darker it is, the more ripe it'll be. So you want the skin to be almost pitch black. If the avocados are green and haven't ripened yet, you can put them in a paper bag. So I have 3 avocados from Mexico. Pretty. So you want to scoop them out with a soup spoon. In my mind, avocados and limes just go hand in hand. But when I got to Sonora, people were like appalled at the thought. No one uses lime, and they find it quite shocking if you do. They have a point. It tastes absolutely delicious without lime or lemon, especially if you're adding a chile de verde. Salt, the roasted Anaheim, onion, I have a cup of cilantro. Look at the beautiful color, it's just all green. The crunchy onion, the fresh cilantro, and the citrusy chile. And I have like a more intense experience of the avocado, which is great.